the holiday of Passover is, as it is written in the Bible, the holiday in the month of the spring. And it means in many ways, emotionally and mentally, the getting together with the spring, with the newness of something, of the flowers blooming, the birds singing, the world coming into bloom. That is in one general part of it. In a Jewish way, it is the so to say the first rise of our national consciousness, in which we became a nation, perhaps much more exact and much more important. We became a huge, one unified family. And that is what we have to remember. We are doing in this holiday the connection which is both vertical and horizontal. Horizontal because we tried then, and we should try then, to make our connections with our family, with the people that are close to us, even when we are not all the time connected. That is one kind of a connection. It's also vertical, and vertical in two ways. One way is that we go back to the past, more than 3,000 years of keeping the holiday, and especially keeping the Seder of Pesach, which is, as in so many parts of it, is basically the same way it was more than 2,000 years ago, and beginning more than 3,000 years ago. On the other hand, it has the vertical on the other dimension, which means we can decide that we rise on to a greater height, not to remain always in the same level of existence, which is feeding, working and dying. We can do something that will make all of these things worthwhile. So it's in a certain way, it's a beginning of a new year for every person.